In today's FX markets, I want to focus on the Australian dollar today. The biggest mover, I think, when you look at most of the major currencies, we're seeing the Australian dollar benefit from the softening of the trade tensions and having a nice run today. Sixth straight day higher versus the US dollar, and also the New Zealand dollar is having a strong day as well. And I think you're seeing the reaction as we continue to see the storylines and the narrative between the US and China evolve and trend in a very positive direction as we close out 2020. I think you're looking at currencies in that hemisphere that are also benefiting from the thawing of those tensions. And certainly when you look at the New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar, you're seeing a nice run there. Looking at the trends in place right now, I think it's important to point out that, as I mentioned, we've seen a sixth straight day higher for the Australian dollar, but really going back to November 29th, it's had a significant run for the month of December. And now we are actually taking out the highs that we saw late October, early November, and pushing up to levels that the Australian dollar has not really traded in going until you go back to July of this year. So about a 5.5 month high when you look at the current trends within the Australian dollar, and some of the dynamics continue to shift, and I think you're setting up for a very positive tone for most of these currencies that are linked closer to China as we roll into 2020.